Welcome to Horkans. I'm Horkan, and today I want to tell you about some of the key jobs that you can do in your garden at this time of year. Firstly, sow some scented cut flowers from seed. I recommend you sow the seed of sweet pea at this time of year. They'll germinate in a couple of weeks. You can plant them out of doors to flower next summer, providing you with lots and lots of cut flowers right through until the end of the summer. It's also the time of year for sowing the seed of many hardy annual plants. Plants like the beautiful calendulas, plants like nemesia, anthriniums, and also candytuft can be sown from seed directly out of doors at this time of year. It's also a great time of year for planting fruit in the garden, particularly in pots and containers in your patio or indeed out into the garden soil. Raspberries, rhubarb, blueberries and dwarf apples like the beautiful coronet apple tree can be planted in pots and containers or directly out into your garden soil to fruit next summer. It's also an excellent time of year for taking cuttings of some of your favourite garden plants. Plants like hydrangeas, fuchsias, the yellow flowering hypericum, parahebe and buddleias can all be propagated quite easily at this time of year using rooting gel and perlite. You simply dip the cutting into the rooting gel, insert it into a pot. So remember, here at Horkans we've got a wide variety of seeds, bulbs and plants for you to plant at this time of year to give you colour now and also in spring and summer of next year. Bye for now.